San Jose emergency, what are you reporting?
Yeah, I just need the police. I'm sorry. A guy grabbed my camera and broke it, and I'm stuck here on the sidewalk.
Okay, how long ago was this?
This was about 30 to 20 minutes ago, 25, 30 minutes ago.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
I was recording from a public sidewalk, and the guy didn't like it. He came up, told me to stop, and then grabbed my camera and broke it off of my stand and threw it in the bushes.
Okay, and are you near that person now or no?
He's about 20, 25 feet away.
Okay, what were you recording?
The business, they have cranes and stuff.
Okay, so you were reporting their crane?
Yeah, they have equipment inside their yard, and I was just checking out their equipment from a public sidewalk.
One moment. Okay. All right, I'm going to get you over to police services. Hold the line, don't hang up. And what's the location?
I'm not sure the address, but it's Peninsula Crane.
Do you have the cross streets that you're on?
Wool Creek and I'm sorry, I don't have the other one. It's across the street from George M.
Is it Wool Creek Drive?
Yes.
And Willworth Drive?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, give me one moment. So it looks like the owner's already called in. One moment.
Okay.
From Dot Business.
All right, stand by. Just keep an eye. I'm going to grab my rifle real quick. Multiple colors kind of changes things. With her later. Camera's on, right? Yeah. Someone knows what's really going on, but you gotta be careful. Charles Ford, they still have a visual to mail?
I don't know. They just keep hanging up on us. So we don't have anybody landline right now.
Copy. Just give us code 33. We're getting flagged down.
Copy code 33.
She should have gone. Did I not go 97 on a weapons call? Why are they not code 33? Multiple people. Well, this guy looks like the guy they're describing. Hi, sir. Can I help you? Yeah. Okay. We got a call someone with a gun?
No.
You don't have a gun?
I don't have a gun.
Okay. You're free to record me. I don't care. I'm recording you.
Okay.
So we did a good report of you, male with sunglasses, mask, bag with a gun. Okay. So you can record me. You can leave that there. I just gotta make sure I'm safe.
All right,
okay?
go for it, man.
So
I don't have any.
Okay. I'm just gonna take your bag off. Okay.
I can.
Yeah. Take it off,
Well,
please.
it's got a body.
Okay. That's fine. Like I said, I'm just trying to be safe. Okay. That way we can deal with this appropriately. Okay. So just relax. You're gonna have to put the tripod. I'm gonna pat search you for weapons. There's a report. No, I'm gonna pat search you.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I don't have any.
Okay. Well, I just got to make sure. We're obviously, they might have exaggerated, but that's what we're here to figure out. Well, that's what it sounds like. So, just separate your legs for me, please. All right. I'm just gonna hold on to your bag real quick. I'm not taking it. Here.
Can I get my body cam?
Yeah. Go ahead. Give me this body cam. Sounds like 51 Charles 4. You can shut down any incoming code 3. Go back to normal. This sounds like some kind of civil issue. So what happened?
I was recording from the sidewalk up there.
Okay.
This guy didn't like it, so we just grabbed my camera and threw it in the bushes. And that's everything. It caught it on live stream.
Okay. Do you know them or what's going on?
No, I don't know them at all. I was just checking out their cranes. They have like cranes and stuff.
Oh, you don't know them at all? You're
I
just
don't know
recording?
them at all.
Okay.
I'm just a random dude.
Okay. Well, They called in a guy with a gun, so this you get
They
this
want
response.
this kind of
yeah.
response, yeah.
You get this kind of response.
Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Samuels APD officers. 11, 12, 13. Looks like they're all
Well, there's a lot of trainees out here.
geared up, for sure.
They called in a guy with a gun, you know. In this day and age, you would want this kind of response,
That sounds
right?
like a crime to me, man. They're lying.
Well, I don't know. I came out from another area, but we were the first here, so.
Is it cool if I go out of the sun over here?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Yeah, that's fine.
It's my
We're not going to search it. We're just making sure, try to figure out what's going on. But obviously you're recording, so I wouldn't imagine that you have a gun.
No.
Because then you kind of snitch yourself out if you did, right?
I have there's pepper spray in there, but
That's fine.
These guys wanted this kind of response, guys. That's how it goes. There's 13, 14 each unit here. They don't like the fact that I'm recording, so they wanted me to get like $10.
You didn't know them at all? I don't know at all. Okay. Well, so I'm gonna tell you right now. You absolutely have the right to record from a public space and everything. You know that.
Yeah.
But is there a reason? Like.
It was interesting. I was checking it out.
Okay.
The trains and stuff.
Okay.
I was there for like a minute.
Why do you think they called in you having a gun? Just because they didn't like you?
Because they didn't like. He's mad enough to grab my camera and break it.
Okay.
He's
Is
gonna
it
lie.
broken?
Yeah.
With
There's
the-
the camera right here. He ripped it off.
Oh, there's another camera.
Yeah, it's in the bushes over there. I'd actually really like to retrieve it.
Okay.
But I don't want to go on their property.
Yeah, no. If we'll retrieve it for you. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not cool if they called in a guy with a gun and there is no guy with a gun.
That's what happened, man. They asked me if I had a gun. I was like, no, I don't have a
Yeah.
gun.
Well, it sounds like they weren't too cooperative either. So, you know, they call a guy in with a gun in front of a school. This is what you get.
Oh, of course. Yeah,
Right.
I understand.
You can
that,
understand
guys.
that,
Yeah,
right?
I
And
totally get that.
I was cool with you, right?
You were cool.
You know.
You were cool. You didn't cuff me. Props for that.
Well, I've been doing this long enough to tell, like, the guy with the gun isn't going to have the camera and,
Right.
and, you know, all that.
Definitely not.
And flag me down, hey,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
You always got to be ready for it, but I use my experience, you know, like.
What's your name, sir?
Silva?
Silva.
Yeah. So, you know, I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of trainees and new guys that might have thrown you out anyways.
Okay. Would it maybe get on the ground and stuff?
That's, I mean, that actually is the safest way, the way we're trained, but based on just some of the details of the calls for me,
Yeah.
I was like, well, I got to go in because there is a school, so I'm going to go in by myself if I have to.
Okay.
But just your demeanor and, you know, you're cooperative, which is really what dictated how it all went down, right?
Okay.
If I think you might have a gun and you're uncooperative, that's going to change how I react. But being as cooperative as you were,
Yeah.
you know, I'm still, you know, my guard is still up mentally. I'm ready for it, but then, you know,
Okay.
I react off you basically.
I think we're looking at a PC-211. I want to get this guy.
So those officers are investigating.
Okay.
We're just here to help. We're the closest. We got dispatched from a different area.
For sure.
We're definitely going to get all your information as far as you want to report a crime.
Yeah.
It sounds like a vandalism. Did he try to take it all, or he just broke it?
Yeah, he did. He took it, grabbed it, ripped it off, and I consider that taking it, and then threw it.
Okay, but
over there.
he didn't try to run with it or anything like that.
No.
Okay. Do you have any identifications for that?
I do.
Okay. If I can see that, please.
Can I just tell you my name? And
Yeah. No, I really appreciate that you didn't get all, like, you know,
Yeah.
crazy with me, like, because that really would dictate how things go, you know.
Right.
We're not going to take chances with kids, you know, like, look, there's a kid right there, you know, so.
I give officers what they give to me.
No, and I am the same with people, you know, like, and like I said, the fact that you're flagging us down,
Yeah.
I could see your hands, you weren't being, like, dumb, like, reaching your pockets and stuff, because sometimes people try to bait us, like, you know, like, oh, well, I don't have to listen to you, like, well,
Yeah.
you know. So what's your last name, sir? And do you have another last name?
No.
Okay. Your first name?
Gabriel?
Gabriel. Common spelling?
Yeah.
Like the Archangel?
Yep.
And your address?
No.
Okay. Your date of birth? Did you call us as well?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And how tall are you approximately, sir?
6 foot?
6 foot. And this is just biographical info. I'm
Oh,
not,
okay.
if you're wondering why do you care how tall I am,
Yeah.
how much do you think you weigh?
240.
40. Hair is gray?
I mean,
Ish.
grayish.
If I had hair, it'd be gray too, so don't worry about it. And eyes are brown, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you happen to know your driver's license number?
I do.
Okay. What is it?
Hold on one second.
No worries.
It's if you could not repeat that.
Okay. And what number did you call from?
It's in my bag. I don't.
Oh, you don't know your phone number?
No.
Okay, that's not a big deal. We'll figure it out.
It's not an activated phone, so it's just
Oh, it just has the.
I
you always
just
have
use it as a
911
camera,
service.
yeah,
Yeah.
so-
Yeah.
it's just a camera phone. But I definitely want to press charges. man.
Okay.
I was-
So let's start. What time did you arrive here? Approximately.
It's been over an hour. I'd say about an hour
9
and
o'clock?
10 minutes.
Okay, so like 8:50 then.
8:55.
8:55?
Yeah.
All right. And you were here on Wool Drive.
Yes.
Okay. Were you always over there? Like when this whole thing happened?
Yeah, I was on this sidewalk
Wool
the
Drive.
whole thing, the whole time. Yeah.
Wool Drive. That's Wool Creek. All right. And you were recording with your phone and a tripod-mounted camera.
Yes. The
Okay.
camera's supposed to be right here.
All right.
But he just.
And
you
it
can
was mounted
note
on there.
Yeah, you can note the broken plastic around it.
Yeah.
You have to rip it off.
Okay. So you were recording with both at the time.
Both at the same time. Yeah.
Okay. And it was that guy. Which guy was it?
It was the guy sitting down.
That
right
guy with the
there?
beard?
Yes.
Okay. And what happened exactly?
He didn't like what I was doing.
But what
came
did he
up-
say to you, or what?
He said something like, "I need you to stop and desist,"
Stop and desist.
something like that.
Did he say specifically what he wanted you to stop and desist?
No.
He didn't say.
Well, I mean, I could tell he just didn't want me recording.
Okay, but he didn't specifically say stop recording.
I don't remember now. Can't recall.
But he did say stop and desist. And then what was your reaction to that?
No.
You said no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate you, Tuffy.
Sorry, what's that?
I was talking to the audience.
Oh. All right. And then you said no, and then what happened?
He grabbed my camera, ripped
Do
it off.
you remember which hand?
Uh,
Actually, does anyone have a video of it? Was anyone
it
recording?
was live streamed.
But is anyone capturing like a video recording of your
I
recording?
don't think they were.
No, I mean of your fans or your viewers.
The live stream, if you guys go on my live stream right now and rewind it all the way to the very beginning, you can see it.
What is that? What platform is that?
YouTube.
YouTube. What's the channel?
Slo County Observer.
What is it? Slo?
Slo, S-L-O,
SLO County.
County Observer.
All one word?
No, 3 separate.
Okay, sorry about that. Slo County Observer. That's your channel. All right, and then so you said no, and then he grabbed your camera, and he just immediately threw it.
Immediately through it. My phone fell on the ground as well.
Yeah.
Silver, you guys good?
Well, whose call is this?
Yours?
Negative. What district is it?
Paul or Charles?
I don't think so.
What do you need seriously? It's not ours, but what do we need over here? Because it's a big nothing.
Well, he wants to press charges for this guy vandalizing his
Okay.
camera.
Broke my camera. My camera's supposed to be right here.
So whose beat is
It's
it?
in the bushes over there right now.
I don't know.
Can you go figure that out with whoever's on your team?
No one's on my team. Can you call? Are you playing a break?
Sorry, sir, I got distracted.
For sure.
So you said he threw the camera immediately on the ground? In the bushes or in the grass?
He grabbed it like this and went, "Oh well."
Don't worry about it.
Like that.
We'll take care of it. So you don't have to get the
Where's
statement.
the-
Let us re-get the statement. It's not a
Well,
big deal.
I'm getting a statement right now, so. Are you
Where's,
in the bushes?
where's the part that's broken?
He says there's
Uh, You can see it, but there should be a camera right here.
Let me get these guys taken care of. You're good. I know it's not your beat. I was just giving her time. We'll take care of it.
In the
Yours
bushes
is,
over there, so he grabbed it
info.
like this. Yeah, against that wall. He grabbed it.
Over there.
Where's the piece? Because we're going to have to photograph it.
This is He threw it over there. I don't want to go on their property, so I didn't retrieve it.
I will go look.
But it's a black Sony cam.
I'm gonna go get rid of this. You said who's Lincoln 3?
There you go.
Who's that? Is that a recruit?
No, he's over there.
We just separated from because there was a report of a gun. Pat searched and we haven't searched the bag. We didn't have PC for it.
Okay.
Yeah, he said he's here for like an hour recording this business for whatever reason. Guy came out, didn't like it, confronted him, told him to stop. He said no. So then dude snatches his camera off his tripod, breaks it, breaks the mount, and he wants to press charges for vandalism. He says 211, but I'm like, yeah, no, that's 211.
I mean, I don't know if you know what 211 is, but
Well, I'm still interviewing him, but
okay, but nothing other than that.
he didn't say anything about any threats or any force other
Okay,
than
I'll
taking the
relay
camera.
it.
This guy's. I am.
Oh, never mind.
Why are they calling a guy with a gun if there's no guy with a gun?
That's what Richard was yelling at.
She thought she saw a gun in his pocket. Liar.
Yeah.
That's fucked up.
That could have created a whole thing.
Hey, look at the response to it. You call it in across from the school. What do you think they're gonna get? Luckily, I could tell this guy's like a cop watch kind of guy.
Yeah.
He had a body cam. He's recording. He's flagging us down. I'm like, well, this is the guy. He matches the description. And so I figured it was some BS about obviously what he's doing out here. So that's why I didn't like 1096 him or whatever. But I'm like multiple RPs. I'm like, all right, well, I'm just gonna go because I'm like, fuck that. You know, if it was just the one, I'd be like, we'll wait. But
It's probably better you got here than some of our groups got here first. That would have been a
or
whole.
some of your channel mates. Sure, there's a lot of cameras in that bush. Hey, sir, real quick. Hey, so we're going to take off. Do you have any questions for me? This officer's going to handle the investigation. All right. And your bag's over there. They'll take care of that, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.